Hi, hello, kamusta? It's another video by Christina. Weather update. Today or tonight, ang temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. Kaninang umaga, it was 5 to 6 degrees. We're currently here in Hyundai Beach. We're done with our Busan day tour. Aking outfit of the day, meron akong ultra warm heat tech by Uniqlo. And then, itong long skirt ko, I got it here on TikTok. This shirt, may inner shirt ako. Medyo makapal naman siya. Then, puffer jacket. Uniqlo din. Dapat ang susutin ko lang talaga was puffer jacket lang. But then, I decided to wear this trench coat sa fiancé ko to. Buti na lang dinala niya. Kasi kung hindi, baka hindi ako makakilos ng maayos. So, it's still really cold. Kaya, better layer. Lalo na for those na lamigin. Bye!